Hola gente hermosa, espero que todos se encuentren bien. My name is Leticia and I'm going to make a piñata today, and the piñata is going to be the Incredibles Jack Jack. So I got the mask already cut out here. Put that down. I have the yellow for his hair. And let's get started on this piñata. As always, beautiful people, stay blessed. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and enjoy this video. Beautiful people, I've been making piñatas for over 20 years. And so here we go. I got his little hair going. I have the wrap and I'm putting that down. As you can see, this part is a little bit thicker with the color in it. This one's the lighter one, this is the darker one, but all I did was just fold it down, place it on top, because then what's going to happen next, this is his forehead. So that's going to be his forehead right here with his hair. See? Hair, forehead, and then I'm going to put mask. So since I've been doing this for over 20 years, pretty much I am a professional. Thank you very much. Those of you that do know me, thank you for ordering your piñatas, and if you haven't ordered one yet, please do so. Thank you. That little baby's ears are pretty big, so we're going to use this and this part for his ears. Alright, so all I'm going to do is just fold this in half, cut it out, and voila, we're going to have his ears. So I already cut off the top part, and all I do is just follow the line and should be good to go. Next, what I'm going to do is grab the ear, put it at the very corner, like that, fold it, cover both sides, and then I'm going to make a slit on the side and fit the ear in. A shout out to my lovely husband who saved me, yay! I ran out of glue sticks and he went out into the rain to go get me some glue sticks. So I love you, baby. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So much detail and dedication and time and patience. And here's Jack Jack from the Incredibles. I hope you've enjoyed this video, beautiful people. As always, stay blessed and please remember to subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.